Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and in this video we're gonna talk about every method in typed array. Like array.every method, it is a same algorithm as same, just it is a typed array. So what we're gonna do is create a function called is negative and use element comma index comma array as a parameter. And what we're gonna do inside that, we will return element smaller than 0, so it will check is it is negative or not. So what this is gonna return is a boolean true or in a false. So after that, what we're gonna do is create a const int 8, name it as a int 8, and it will be a int 8 array. So let's begin int 8 array, usual for use the constructor method for creating an object like that. And inside that, what we're gonna do is pass -10 comma -20 comma -30 comma -40 comma -50. As you can see, these all are in negative. So but how are we gonna check it by each and every one of them? That's why we have a property called every. So what we're gonna do, use the prototype for the int 8 variable. In this case it's int 8 itself, and every, and pass the function which you're gonna do. So this is what it does, is it's pass the function. This is, I know this is you never been seen before, but this is a way to so true, because all of them, it's checked each and every one of them one by one by using this method. And like if we remove one of them, the minus, what's gonna happen is it's gonna say false. So hope you understand. And that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.